Hello, this is Pachi. Today I'm here to make a very beautiful kitchen garden with you. We are going to do this lovely project. There is something special here. All these vegetables are kawaii. So take a look at this carrot. Isn't it cute? What about this onion? Look at that, it's lovely. Wait a minute. Take a look at this beetroot. Oh, this is really cute. Do you like it? Do you want to make that with me? So let's do it. Let's go. This is our kitchen garden. Well, it's gonna look very nice. So let's take a look. Here we have an adorable carrot. Isn't it cute? Look at that. We have an adorable onion. Oh, and we have a very funny beetroot. That could be a radish. I don't know. It's up to you. Okay, so let's do it. We are going to start first doing the garden. But let me introduce you the material first. So you're going to need 2 A4 white pieces of paper, sticky tape, glue. You're going to need scissors, rubber, and you're going to need coloring pencils. You see, as many tones as you can get. Lots of blues and oranges and different tones of green and brown and also different tones of purple. Okay? So we also are going to need a pencil for drawing. Don't forget that. Let's start putting the 2 pieces of paper one on the top of the other and then folding. You see, I'm not folding in the middle. I'm making something that looks like a pocket. Okay, I'm folding the 2 pages together because look, one of them is going to be the kitchen garden and the other one we are going to use to make the vegetables, and we need to measure the size they are going to be, so when we put them inside the garden they will disappear. You see? So this is going to be the size of my vegetables. So let's put this aside and start with the kitchen garden. First, we are going to color brown. So remember, you have lots of tones of brown, so let's put them here. I'm holding the pencil from the top because it's easier to color big areas holding the pencil like this. Okay? So don't forget to make a bit of brown inside, blue for the sky. Nice. Very good. Okay, so now we fold, and I'm going to make a mark here with a black pencil because we are going to cut, the ground is not a straight line. So this is why I made these lines to cut around. Don't worry if you don't make them all the same. Remember, you're making the ground, so it's not supposed to be very uniform. Now let's close it and see if we can see a bit of white under. Yep, I can see a bit of white. So let's add a bit more brown here. We don't want to see this white piece of paper showing. Okay, I think it's good. A little bit more here on the corner. Now it's perfect. So get your sticky tape and we are going to stick the corners. Look, this side. Remember that press very well so you are sure that it's not going to open. Let's check. Yep, good. So we are going to do the same on the other side. And, whoop, good. Let's press it. And, yeah, that's nice. So let's make a little test. Okay, I'm going to get my onion and see. Yeah, perfect. It's hiding. Wonderful. Okay, so now we are going to make our lovely, adorable vegetables. Get the other piece of paper that you had folded and let's see. So we are going to draw our vegetables on this, let's say, flap that you made of paper right here. Okay, so first a carrot. It looks a bit like a triangle, isn't it? But the part that should be very pointy, I'm making round. Let's make the onion now. This onion looks a bit like a heart that is upside down, doesn't it? Don't forget to make some little lines here at the bottom. And now this beetroot radish, well, you decide what you're gonna make. It looks a bit like a rectangle with the corners very round. So if you decide for radish, it's good to make this little tail under. Okay, so now let's work on these kawaii eyes. Very big circles. 1, 2. And now we are going to make these highlights inside the eye. Look, I'm making 2 extra circles. These ones I'm not going to color when I make the eye. Okay, let's get the onion. That is the same. Big circles right here with the little circles inside. Don't forget to make a little cute smile very close here to the eyes. And now our beetroot radish. Okay, so we are not going to make round eyes here. You're going to make a straight line, and then you're going to make 2 semicircles and a lovely little smile. So leave here the part that is going to be the highlight of your sunglasses. Nice. Okay, now it's time for adding color. For the carrot, let's get the oranges. Well, I'm going to start with the carrot doing the eye first. Normally, I don't do that. I always start with the brighter colors and then I go for the darker ones. But I'm making this one the other way around because I want you to be able to see how the kawaii eye looks like. You see, very dark with these 2 circles inside, white. Let's do the other one. Nice. Okay, to color the carrot, start with the brightest orange that you have, then go getting darker and darker. Use red to make the cheeks and the mouth and make some extra lines. Okay, nice. So let's go for the onion now. So beige to make the color of your onion. So it was the brightest one. And then you go getting darker. Don't forget to use brown to make some lines on your onion. I think these lines make a lot of difference. After you have done that, go for the eyes. So in case you had, by mistake, done a bit of beige inside the eyes, don't worry because the black covers everything. Now we go for our beetroot. So start with pink and go getting darker and darker. So it makes a lot of difference. Look at that. Looks very nice already. Darker and darker, remember? Okay. Purple. Yeah, purple is going to make the whole difference here. Nice. Yeah. Okay, black for the sunglasses. Okay, done. Really nice. So let's cut it. Now, try to cut as close as you can to your coloring, okay? Nice. Onion. Okay, for the onion, we have to cut carefully here right at the bottom, okay? Don't forget that. And our carrot. Oh, I think I need to add some more black here to the eye. Doesn't look very, very dark. And I like this carrot so much. It looks so, so cute. Yeah, I think we really need to do this black here. Yeah, good. One eye. I think I'm going to add some black to the other eye as well. Ooh, it makes a very big difference. Look at that. So the other eye. Very nice. Okay. Good. Much better now. Okay, so now let's work with the green bit. I am going to show you how to make the one for the onion, the one for the carrot, and the one for the beetroot. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do it. I'm going to use some glue. You don't need to use glue. You can put the carrot, for example, on the paper and just trace around. But I'm going to put some glue because I want it to be very, very stable here, so you're going to understand very well. So you see that I'm going to put the beetroot and the carrot on one side, This white paper is the leftover from the paper that we made our vegetables. Okay, let's put the onion on the other side. Nice. Okay, so we have now a lot of space, you can see. Carrot, onions, very separate, and a lot of space here in the middle where it's gonna be the green bit. So let's turn here, and we are gonna start drawing for the beetroot one. So you're gonna make 2 lines, long ones, like that, and then something a little bit wibbly wobbly. It looks like a cloud, doesn't it? It looks nice. So I'm gonna make another one here, and nice, and another one here. Well, you know from the other videos that I really like to make 3. I always think that 3 is a very good number. Okay, let's go for the carrot. So you see, we are gonna make the carrot different from what we did the beetroot. It's like a zigzag line going up. Don't worry if really doesn't look realistic. This is not a realistic drawing. We're making kawaii, so it's like cartooning. So nice, don't worry about that. Okay, 1, 2, and now 3. Cool. So now let's go for the onion on the other side. So what you're gonna make here, long lines, a bit pointy at the end, okay? Try to make them very skinny. Nice. Okay, like that. Very good. As many as you think you need. Good. So now we are ready. Get the scissors, because you're going to take these vegetables from the paper. This is why I told you before that you don't need to stick them here. You could just trace around. It would be enough. Okay, so let me cut here. Nice. Onion, done. Okay, let's get our beetroot radish. Okay, nice, cutting very well. I have to take all the white paper. You see, maybe gluing is not exactly a very good idea. Maybe just tracing around is gonna make it easier for you. Okay, here, nice, hard to cut. Okay, good, done. All right, so now we are gonna do the green. So let's separate these pieces. So I have here the part for the carrot, good, and this one, done, and now the onion. I'm gonna cut a bit here and, okay, on the top. Oh no, I'm gonna leave the top. I think that long is good. Let's leave it very long. Maybe I'll trim here on the side. Good, done. Okay, so look at this. We are not going to color on the place that we have done the drawing. We are gonna color behind. What? Yes, you're gonna see how it works. So get all the green pencils you have and color very well all around. Look at that. So the lines you made on the other side, you're gonna use as a guide to cut. Isn't it clever? So look, so you don't need to worry if you cut a little bit on the top of the lines you made with the pencil, because actually you are not gonna see this side. The side you're gonna see is the other, the one that you colored green. Does it make sense? I think it makes much easier. And if you cut on the top of the lines, it doesn't matter. Okay, good. Well, the onions, actually at the end, you don't need to cut on the lines that you made before if you don't want. You can cut just long strips. Try to make the ends a bit pointy if you can. So as many as you think you need. So now get your beetroot. You see, I'm sticking now on the white side. Okay, put them all here. Get the sticky tape and okay, and done. Let's see. Oh, that's really nice. We are gonna do the same with the carrot. With the onion, it's gonna be a little bit different because we are gonna need to use some glue. You know, there are too many pieces, so the sticky tape probably is not gonna hold it all. Oh, look at that. It looks so nice. So now let's get your kitchen garden and put everything and see if it works. Oh, look at this. It works perfectly. My onion is hiding here. And now my carrot, that's very nice. And my beetroot radish. Oh, look at this. Isn't it super cute? Did you like it? Wasn't it a cute project? If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Say hello on Instagram and send us a photograph of your project. We're gonna love to put that on our gallery. So see you next time. Bye.